Hello dears, today we are going to learn about past tense. Past tense is an important tense form in English. We talk or describe about the incidents or the events that happened in the past, maybe a remote past or a recent past. Okay, dears, here I give you an example of one of my routine days. Okay, see how I describe my routine. Today, I got up by 5 o'clock in the morning. Nobody woke up then in my home. I went to the washroom. After that, I opened the kitchen door. Then I put the teapot on the fire. I waited for 2 minutes. By then, the water for tea boiled. I mixed tea dust, milk and sugar one by one into it. Then I sipped my morning tea. Then I changed my dress and started my morning walk. 2 of my friends joined me on the way. We talked as usual. We exchanged many news and gossips each other. After walking for 15 minutes, we ran slowly for 10 minutes. Thus, we reached the river shore. We saw the reddish morning sun. Then we jogged again for some time and walked back home. Then I took the newspaper and sat on an armchair and began to read. After reading for a while, I headed to the bathroom and took a shower. Then I wore my office uniform and got ready for my breakfast. Now you go through the bold tense forms. Then understand how I used them in each sentence. Okay, see you. Bye.